Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Look no further than the Ninja OG751BRN Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill and Smoker. This versatile and innovative appliance combines the functionality of a master grill, BBQ smoker, and air fryer, all in one convenient package. With its 100% authentic woodfire flavors and built-in thermometer, this grill is sure to impress even the most discerning outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Master Grill, BBQ Smoker, and Air Fryer. The Ninja OG751BRN is truly a jack of all trades when it comes to outdoor cooking. Whether you're in the mood for perfectly seared steaks, mouth-watering BBQ ribs, or crispy air-fried wings, this grill has you covered. With its master grill function, you can achieve the same char and searing as a full-size propane grill, while the BBQ smoker feature lets you create authentic bark and flavor with ease. Plus, the built-in air fryer capability allows you to cook your favorite fried foods outdoors, all with the rich, smoky taste of real wood fire. Water-resistant and anti-fade design. Constructed from lightweight, water-resistant material, the Ninja OG751BRN is built to withstand the elements and keep your grill protected. The anti-fade fabric is UV-resistant, ensuring that your grill maintains its sleek gray appearance for years to come. With its durable construction and weather-resistant design, this grill is ready to handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. 100% real wood pellets. One of the standout features of the Ninja OG751BRN is its use of 100% real wood pellets. Each pellet is professionally crafted to deliver the perfect ratio of cherry, maple, and oak, resulting in optimal flavor development for your grilled creations. The all-purpose blend of woodfire flavors pairs perfectly with any food load, making it easy to achieve delicious results every time you fire up the grill. Complete setup for outdoor cooking convenience. With its included stand, the Ninja OG751BRN makes outdoor cooking a breeze. The stand is designed to fit any Ninja Woodfire outdoor appliance, providing a stable and convenient platform for your grilling adventures. With easy setup and 3 different height levels to meet your outdoor cooking needs, this grill is built for convenience and versatility. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ninja OG751BRN Woodfire Pro Outdoor Grill and Smoker is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With its masterful functionality, water-resistant design, real wood pellets, and complete setup, it offers everything you need to create delicious grilled dishes with authentic woodfire flavor. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening meal outdoors, this grill is sure to impress. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.